Oi, alrighty. Countdown's coming down. Nah, I'm just fucking joking. New fucking date, baby! Nah, countdown is coming down. We're a day away from my 22nd. Fuck, my hair looks terrible. Well, that maybe made it even worse. Yeah, I'm just don't give a fuck. Yeah, today we're gonna try and get the CF going. The clutch fully stopped working, so it's working, but the actual actual lever's just doing nothing at all. So I'm gonna try and take the master cylinder off, and then yeah, try and fuck with that, and then hopefully we can get that thing boosting today and rip some fucking sets on the weekend. Start TikTok back up. Just doing I don't know, just daily vlogs and stuff. Not really too rowdy shit, because YouTube, that's what it's for really. Just all the skids, all the rowdy shit, the yada yada. But trying to get my name back out there again. Start doing the daily TikToks and just, I don't know, not putting fully stuff out there, maybe just some like bloopers of what I really put in here, and fucking hey, we're wrong. But yeah, go follow that. It's gonna be Ravdogslife. Do it, baby. Also didn't say also good old man himself, John Doe, sorted me out of math, so hopefully we can sort out why it's not moving in 3k and it's just a math. I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna start it up. I don't even know, maybe just put it in reverse, turn the key, and then put it into there, and then I can start working on it right in the middle of the driveway. Happy we're in NZ and we only have stuff like that, but still, nah, no thank you. Right, just slap the math back in there. Let's see if she works, eh? Come on, Gilly, you got this. I have faith, I believe in you. Oh, should probably tighten that up too. If it was, they should just get that there, eh? But actually really could be. Anyway, I'm just gonna try and sit out there and see how that works. Come on, girl. Come on now. Don't tell me that battery's dead. For fuck's sake. Oh, I'm throwing that battery in the fucking bin, for fuck's sake. We got a big dog up on in there. Let's see what happens. Come on, girl. Come on. That's normal. Nah. See? Why you do that? Don't know why you're doing that. So I've hit the man, the myth, legend up, and yeah, he said that it's called the temp sensor something or other. I'm pretty sure it's this thing. So I'm gonna probably unplug this, unscrew that, and then hopefully there's a yellow one over there. I asked him if I can use the yellow one, but hopefully I can. And then yeah, switch temperature sensor out, and then hopefully that will be sweet. Hopefully that's just stuck open or something. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So that is what that is. You know, the damn Ravdogslife, learning shit. Anyway, yeah, so I don't know, he hasn't got back to me whether or not the yellow one works, so I might just do it and see what happens. I don't know. I'll let you know. You see they're a bit different, but I don't see why it won't work, right? I don't know, both 20s, both have a yellow plug at the top, so we'll give this a go. Ooh, they're here, alright, surely, I've replaced it now. If it just runs here, I'd be so stoked.
Is it a new math?
Nah, a new math and that new sensor.
Oh, yeah.
Nah. Weird. I don't know what the fuck it is then.
Was math different, dude?
Well, I don't know.
Was it like an air leak somewhere up here?
There was a little one. I had to tighten that up. It's not leaking now. Yeah, we'll just clean 4 of these spark plugs. We're having an absolute mission trying to get these other 2 out. Not really because they're there. Well, because they're there, but a little swivelly thing, whatever, keeps snapping. So, it's going to find a magnet thing and then go with a little tool out, and then, yeah, hopefully we'll be able to fix the little swivelly thing. I would take those 2 out, but I'm going to put these 4 in and then take those 2 out, clean them, put them back in, and then hopefully we'll sort the mess, and then we can sort out why it doesn't move at 4K. Ravdog mechanics right there for you, mate. Just tack 2 ends on there. Beautiful. Now she's together. Now she better use some fucking radigan and all. She'll be sweet. This should get rid of the mist, but it's still gonna fucking try that. Got rid of the mist. See, it runs mint till that. It's running mint now, but not till 4. Don't. Let's go to the compressor tester. Just gonna quickly compression test right quick, and then we can rule out that fucking rule.
Got it too.
Turn it over. So we got 180 on the first two. The cylinder 3. Yeah. 180, baby. Oh, it's like fucking. Someone's like, yeah, 180. Just done there. She's primo. So. Test the other 3, and then yeah. I don't think it's compression, but you never know. I'm gonna test that, and then hopefully we should be on.
As long as it ain't compression, we can do everything else without worrying. Hey, without wasting time. I see a problem, G. It's got no gas in it. Oh no, there's your problem, G. It's got no brake fluid in it. Oh, clutch fluid.
I probably should have updated you. We just came to the other skyline, and I was gonna take
Looking
this.
for a map.
I was gonna take, yeah, I was like, fuck, I'm talking to the map. Like, oh, yeah, like.
There it is.
Oh, Randy. Oh, Randy.
No good. I think that math no good. Looks clean as.
That's so fucked.
It's probably all
That
in
is
the
so not
See
good.
how far up the pipe
Oh,
it is.
absolutely not.
Shouldn't be
Surely
that far.
not.
Should stop.
Oh, absolutely not. That's
Could
terrible.
be in there. Let's take
Oh,
it.
absolutely not. Well, this motor's, I'm sure this motor was fucked anyway, because it literally had, look, it says, and it said the numbers, and it said, yeah, low comp. Oh, it says low. That's right. It says low right there. L-O-W. Low. Like low comp. Right?
Yeah, low motor.
Low. I know. It said something. I'm sure next to it is something. It said like the fucking cylinders or something. It said real bad. I did him straight up and just say somewhere. I don't know. I'm sure this motor's fucked anyway. But yeah, that's definitely not the Tahi. Yes, sir. Absolutely. There's so much water in this motor, unless the throttle body is not leaking at all. Probably is, but anyway, trying to get most of the water out that I can, and then I'm trying to put it together. It should be right. Fuck with this thing another day, but yeah, stole the core pack, whatever the fuck this thing's called, and then I'm gonna try this one. Hopefully that works. Hopefully we're on. Come on, come on, come on.
Come on, piece of shit.
Is the fuel pump working? Nah. See, the fuel pump's fucked out again. What's going on? But if you can't like wiggle the wires to make it work, then why the fuck does it keep stopping and starting? Don't wiggle them too much. You'll snap them.
I'm barely moving them. I'm not even touching them right now. Just I'm not looking at them.
Weird, I can't even hear the fuel pump when it starts. Some weird shit going on with this car, eh? Well, we can only other thing we can really try is fucking math, and yeah, this. That's the only.
Before it sparks and catches.
No, I got faith in that. That's the only two things really now. Eh? We've pretty much narrowed it down to those two things. See
Look,
the
this is the ground of the pump.
power to the fuel,
Not even grounded.
or I don't know. Ravdogs a bit baffled here. Unhappy. Not okay. Absolutely. Alright, well we couldn't fucking fix the CF, so get the truck, tow the bitch, let's go. Absolutely. Here she is. I think we're gonna just fold it on top of something, and then hopefully we can just roll it. I think it's actually up on the block, so probably before I should have bought a jack. Absolute idiot. Absolutely not. Probably should have bought a jack, eh? Oh, absolutely. So, do the what? Woo! Full sender. Move your truck. Move your truck. I'm gonna pump that tire up. Dad? Alrighty, it's time to move it. So our little janky rig set up. See how she goes. We're on? Oh yeah, we're on. Oh yeah, we're on. We're on. Oh my homie, my darling, my mobile home's moving. Oh look, oh she's moved. Look at her go. Oh look at her go. Look at her go. It's a bit later on, and I'm just gonna pull the gold VT into the garage right quick, orange VT, whatever, and yeah, make the back lower and make the front higher because that's just ridiculous. Oh, another quick shout out, Max Speeding Rods, cheer the homies. Yeah, it's just a bit very much too low at the moment, so I'm gonna try and figure out how to make it higher, and then go way higher, way higher. So anyway, I'll update you. Yeah, after you jack it up, get your two tools and loosen this bottom one, loosen that one. Once those two are loose, you should be able to either turn this. If you can't turn this because of we're having a bit of an issue, this it should get a bit tight, and you'll be able to use the tool, spin this bottom one. As long as this inside thread is turning up, then it means that that's going up. This is coming down pretty much, you know, getting more length. So gonna keep doing that, and that should be primo. And then yeah, that's better. Hey, like that fitment. I like that. Looks responsible. Very responsible. Very responsible. Alright, you jack it up, put the exhaust back on it, and we'll be fucking screaming. So just quickly, yeah, I think I already told you guys, but yeah, just put the exhaust all bolted up and shit now. It's primo. So got rid of that. Pretty much just has, yeah, the exit like right before it, so it misses that muffler. Pretty much just straight pipe. Straight dumpy. Short out fin, cuzzy. Oh, when I first start up and the way I fucking like it to sound. Finally. Oh, it's gonna be so good.
Chromies.
Absolutely, like, absolutely.
Badgie.
Oh, I miss this Limmy so much, eh? Limmy a fucking day keeps the doctor away, people. Oh, it's so good. Oh, I fucking love that, eh? Oh, one more for the story, eh? Nice. Limmy a day keeps the doctor away, people. Absolutely. Yeah. No, that definitely looks good, eh? Oh, except for that guard, but... Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. She's a hybrid. She's a hybrid, baby. next to the most absolute fucking biggest rig in New Zealand. Abso-fucking-lutely. Oh, just a VT next to a VT, you know? Yeah. Yeah, well, because we couldn't, mate. Remember we had all those issues. Alright, well, we're almost ready. Just, I'm gonna move this car up so he can steal the drive shaft off it. And then, yeah, Safaro's still not running properly. VT's all sweet. VS is all stato, that's all fucking primo. We're just gonna bring this plate up tomorrow, put all the carpet, the tarps and stuff out. I just bought a Nino's gazebo. Set the gazebo up and stuff tomorrow, set sounds up, and fuck yeah, we should be party ready, baby. Yeah, get ready for it. Lost the phone for a little bit, but yeah.
Paddock.
Where actually was it?
It was next to where this car was. I just got in. You dropped it in the long grass.
Oh, because my fucking shitty ass pockets are that fucking shallow. Anyway, yeah, bar show should pretty much be off now. He just needs to get the two thing brackets, whatever, and should be on.
Look, pits, privates, feet and beyond. Pull out your dick.
Wow.